Hi, I'm Vijay and this is my demo for lesson 6. Let's restart my application. So capital R, so it's gonna restart over here. Okay, well, let's log in my account. That's one UCO.edu. So it's authenticating with the Firebase right now. So these are the 4 books which I have here, and I have some other fields over here too. So one is this one is shared with me. It's an extra option in the lesson 6. So in this there are 2 books which have been shared with me. So 4 books actually. So these are 4 books which have been shared. So let's see the file store. This is a file store and this is a database which I'm having right now. So as you see over here is a book collection, and there are 4 documents over here, and these documents fields which have been written over here. This author, created by, image URL, etc. So shared with I have here 2 options. One is one@uco.edu and the second one is v@uco.edu. So let's check for the other one. So even this has it 2 shared with me options. For this one only 1, and for this it's showing 2. So in total we need to have 3 shared books. Sorry, this one is number 2. So in total we need to have 3 shared books. So let's go jump to the app, sign out this one. So let's create an email account. That's 2@uco.edu and password. There you go. So now let's check in the number 2 in if he has any shared books with him. Yeah, he has one shared book with him. And let's check with the other email ID, which is v@uco.edu. So this guy needs to have 2 books in with him. Yeah, so share with me. So yes, he has books with him. And we have another option here. We can add new books. So let's add a new book, which HTTPS something, and book title will do something as dot. The author be someone. It's 8. And let me share with one@uco.edu and 2@uco.edu and some review. That's it. So let us save it. Oh, okay. Save this. So it need to be shown in our file store. So okay, we can see the number. Okay, this is a document ID. So this one is the one we have created here. So it's visible over here. So that's it for the video 1 for the lesson 6 demo. Thank you.